This is not a channel about motivation. This is a channel about orientation. Because most people are not broken. They are disoriented. They are not always lacking discipline. No. They are often negotiating what they already know. They are not always waiting for clarity. They are often delaying the authority required to obey it. PrinceOS exists for those rebuilding inner direction, self-governance, presence, and the architecture of inner command. This work is for those who are no longer satisfied with noise, no longer willing to perform clarity, no longer willing to keep moving without knowing what direction still carries their authority. Here, we speak through three primary instruments: the lighthouse, the compass, and the cartographer. The lighthouse reveals what has been distorted. The compass restores direction. The cartographer shows where your choices are leading. Together they form a system of orientation, not motivation, not performance, not borrowed certainty. Orientation. This work does not add noise. It removes interference. It does not impose direction. It restores proportion where it has been lost. It does not ask you to become louder. It asks you to become more exact, to see clearly, to choose consciously, to stand where your inner authority can no longer be negotiated away. If this language helps you orient, remain close. PrinceOS is built for those who are no longer willing to live without inner direction. Not everything is public, nor should it be. Access is available.